Hi guys, welcome to this Excel course. In this short video we are going to take a quick look at the undoing and redoing in Excel. In this example we have a quick task list and we have just started to add in data. Say we have made a mistake and we want to go back and move. You want to use your undo command. One of the easy ways to do this is open a quick access toolbar up here. We can click on this little back arrow, so you undo one command, or we can click on the little drop down here and it allow you to go back a number of moves, so you can select as far back as you would like to go. You couldn't even just click back a few steps. If you have gone back too far or you have decided you have changed your mind, you actually do what you have done. You can click redo, which is pressing this little forward arrow button. A couple of shortcuts to help you with undo and redoing. Ctrl+Z undoes your moves. So there is a keyboard shortcut that is useful to know, and if you click in Ctrl+Y is your review shortcut. So that's just a quick introduction to undo and redo, and the shortcut keys first. So as I mentioned, you can either use your mouse and click in the arrows at the top, or use the keyboard shortcuts Ctrl+Z or Ctrl+Y. I hope you find this very short video useful. Please feel free to ask me any question if you have one, and I look forward to see you in the next video.